All right, so I'm finally getting around to shooting a video of a walk around of the F-150 Powestroke pre-runner build that I've done. So I actually just listed it for sale right before I came out here. I had a couple people asking for some walk around videos, and then on YouTube, as I was kind of doing the build, people wanted a walk around video. So finally getting around to that. Just got it detailed inside, as you can see, super nice and clean. Just super nice, detailed and clean. But let's get out. That's my auto exposure. So let's get out, take a look around. I decided to come out to a construction site. Figured it was a good place to kind of get away from all the noise. I hope the wind noise isn't too bad. But yeah, so this is the 2018 F-150 with the 3.0 Powestroke, and it has the Baja kits, 3.0 King shocks in the front, 3.0 piggyback King shocks in the rear, and a Deaver leaf spring mini pack, plus 3 mini pack, and then it's fully deleted and straight pipe. So there, and man, it sounds good. It's hard to tell. You got the Fass fuel system there. It's hard to tell in the video, but this is actually wrapped gray. I think you can kind of tell. These haven't been done yet, so you can see that's the white and then that's the gray. And method 37 by 13.5 17-inch method race wheels on there. Those are the Toyo RTs, and this is a platinum, so it has the heated massaging cooling seats, heated steering wheel, the edge monitor with our custom tunes up here. You have your EGT readouts, which is nice. And then I did this little controller, and this is going to do our lights here in the grill. And these are Baja designs on Addictive Desert Designs front bolt-on bumper. So that's pretty nice. Then we have the +3 Fiberwerx bedsides. We have the +5 McNeil Racing front fenders. So you get that really wide look there. Kind of gives it that staggered look. And then the RK Sport functional intake hood. We wrapped the roof black, you can kind of tell there. And yeah, I'm trying to think what else. We have the S&B. Let's see, we'll open up the hood of the S&B cold air intake. Maybe. So there's your S&B cold air intake. Probably use a good cleaning. And then that's your functional hood scoop, pushes air down onto there, and a hood extract over there. It's a 3M color done by Sticker Mafia here in Boise. Other than that, I don't quite know what else to show, so I will do all right, so I don't know how much of that audio came out. Just did a quick little walk around showing the features and whatnot on the truck. I wanted to do a little drive. It is what is it? It's almost 6 o'clock, so it's going to be rush hour. Kind of do a little drive, go through the, kind of run through some gears. This does have the 10-speed automatic transmission. I'm on the stage 4 tune. which is great for daily driving. I think I get around 17.5 miles a gallon. With the 37s by 13.5, that's actually pretty good. I mean, at least I'm happy with it. It could use re-geared, I don't know. It towed my snow trailer just fine. So I have it's a 7x16 enclosed snow trailer, hauling all the gear, 3 snow bikes, up and down McCall and back, I don't know, 10, 15 times this year. It pulls it with no problem, and it doesn't squat too much. I guess the big reason I am selling is because I got a new boat, and I wasn't expecting to have a boat, but I got a boat and it squats quite a bit, and I don't want to damage the suspension, and I don't want to put airbags in, because then that would defeat the purpose of the build essentially. So instead, I'd rather sell it, get a full-size truck, something that's a little bit more comfortable and can tow heavier loads for longer, just with less stress. So, you know, going to Coeur d'Alene or going to Lake Powell or whatever that may be, the big diesels are gonna do it like nothing. And another thing I really want to do is I want to get the new Trails West 28-foot long snow trailer with the gooseneck. So that would be awesome. Obviously you can't do that on a half-ton, so I'm going to just kind of waiting for traffic here. Gonna click it into sport mode. Just wanted to give some kind of in the cab sound. All I have is the sunroof's cracked just a little bit, but you can see so that was to 60 pretty quick. It drives so nice. I mean, it's just straight as an arrow, doesn't fight you, re-centers really well. It's a fun truck. I'm really gonna miss this truck. It's probably the most fun daily driver I've ever had. Definitely. It's fast, it's nimble, it sounds good, feels good. I mean, it just handles like a dream. And then when you get this thing off-road, that's the other issue, is I don't have the, I guess, balls, guts, whatever you want to call it, to really go thrash this thing off-road like it's built to do. It is my daily driver, and I mean, I think I'm $105,000, I think, after I added everything up into this build, and I just can't bring it to myself to go thrash it and hurt it, and it needs to be in the shop for a week or whatever may happen, right? So that's another reason it's pretty, essentially it's a pavement princess. I use it to drive around and show some clients houses and here. And yeah, so that's essentially all I do with it. And now I need to tow more, and obviously I wish I could keep this and get a tow truck, but I got house to buy and all sorts of other stuff. So eventually I'll have a tow truck and maybe a 3rd gen Raptor or something, but this next truck will be pretty cool. I think we're getting a F-150 trimmer, doing some overlanding stuff with it and whatnot. But anyways, like I said, it's rush hour, so not the best time to be speeding around, and obviously it's for sale. I don't want to beat on it too hard. So if I kind of slow down here, let's see, it's actually a client of mine right there. He's probably gonna hate this. coal. Obviously, I'm not a huge fan of rolling coal. Just means your tune isn't efficient. But I think if I clean that intake, or when I clean that intake, it cleans right up, and there's absolutely no coal rolling. It always turns heads. I mean, just before I started this video, I had some guys on the road roll their window down and get close and ask me what I've done to this thing. So anyways, it's a pretty fun build. I'm gonna miss it. Like I said, I really wish I could keep it and do what the other things I need to do with the new truck, but it'd be a little dumb to have 2 trucks right now anyways, so hopefully in the future. But anyways, that's about it. I'm gonna post this up on Race Desert and all over the place, so feel free. I'm gonna leave everything down in the description, the full build, phone number, email, whatever, and it's for sale. I think it's going up at $75,000, which I'm trying to be realistic. I had a couple buddies tell me, hey, you need to put it at whatever, some bigger numbers, and I was like, I just want to be realistic, and I want to sell it, and I want whoever sees it to know I'm serious about, you know, getting it sold. I'm not desperate, but I'm serious. So anyways, shoot me a message, shoot me an email if you're interested, and